Hi everyone, I am Swati Singla and today we are going to do a very interesting type of tense that is very interesting, very useful and my favorite too, and really super easy tense type. So yes, you got it right. This is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Yes, you all must be saying yes, अरे बहुत easy है. We already know this kind of tense. But there are a lot of people who don't know this kind of tense, how to form sentence out of this kind of tense structure. So this video is going to help those kind of people. So I am going to explain present continuous tense in this video, and stay tuned till the end. Okay, so let's start. Present continuous tense. What is present continuous tense? Present continuous tense denotes the activities which are still happening, which are currently happening, which are going on as of now, currently, जो अभी चल रही हैं, अभी आप कर रहे हो, the actions which are performing currently, right now. Okay, so for these kind of tenses, for these kind of actions, for these kind of activities, we use present continuous tense. Got it? So let's start. In We have done simple past, simple present, simple future tense, in which we have done the sentence structure in three parts. Okay, in three parts. Same way here, we are going to do this simple continuous present tense in three parts again. Okay, so I told you in my previous video ki the simple sentences are the basis of whole of the English. So if you know the sentence structure, if you know how to arrange the parts of the sentence, you are done with the English. Like, you know how to make sentences, then you can gain confidence that how to form sentences, how to assemble all the parts of the sentences, or you are good to go. Okay, so in the same way, in present continuous tense, we have three parts. First is the person who is performing the activity, or the person who is performing the action. Second is, am, are. Is, am, are. Third is the activity plus ing. Okay, first is the person. Person could be I, he, she, it, he, she, it, they, we, Ram, Sham, Sita, Geeta, Lakshman, anybody, anyone could be the person. Second is, am, are. Second part is, am, are. And the third part is the activity or the action plus ing. Simple? Got it? I hope you find it simple enough so far. Okay. So now, where to use is, where to use am, where to use are. The next question is. Okay, first of all, let's take an example of the full sentence ki present continuous है क्या. So if I say I am, let's say I am, मैं आपसे अभी बात कर रही हूँ, मैं अभी कर रही हूँ, my activity is going on, अभी भी चल रही है बातें करने की activity. So I would say it like I, the first part is I am, second is am are में से, तो I am talk plus ing, activity is talk, उसके साथ plus ing, I am talking to you. Okay, simple, I am talking to you. Okay, got it. So next question arises, where to use is, where to use am, where to use are. So this is again very simple concept. Am is used with I, only I. मैं के साथ am use होता है always. Am is used with I only. Okay, I am doing this, I am playing, I am sleeping, I am running, I am talking to you, I am teaching, anything. Am will be used only with I. Okay, next is. Is used with one person. Okay, with one person, one thing, one animal, one insect, one non-living thing, anything, only with one thing. Okay, so if I say Sita खेल रही है, तो Sita is one person, so Sita is playing. Okay, he is वो अपना काम कर रहा है, तो वो again एक है one person, तो he is doing his work. Okay, so this way is used only for one thing, one person, one animal, insect or anything, but only one. Okay, third is are. Where to use are? Are is used for more than one person, more than one thing, more than one animal, more than one insect, more than one non-living thing. Okay, but more than one. Got it? Simple enough. So if I say here is suppose here is a group of people who are going to market, so I would say, again I already said it, we are going to market. पर्सन इज जो काम कर रहा है वो है ग्रुप, यानी वी, हम, ठीक है. उसके साथ बिकॉज इट इज मोर देन वन, तो विल यूज आर. वी आर, एक्टिविटी इज गो, उसके साथ आईएनजी, वी आर गोइंग, कहाँ? टू मार्केट. ओके, सो वी आर गोइंग टू मार्केट. गॉट इट? सिंपल. I think this concept, I made it really simple and clear to you in a really simpler manner. I explained it. I tried to explain it in very simple terms. Okay, so I hope so far you are with me and you got it really well. Okay, if you want me to take another example, मैं सो रही हूँ, मैं अभी भी सोने की एक्टिविटी कर रही हूँ, तो विद आई विल यूज एम. आई एम स्लीपिंग. ओके, सौरभ खाना खा रहा है, तो वो अभी भी खा रहा है, तो दिस इज प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस. तो आई विल यूज सौरभ इज ईटिंग फूड. ओके, सौरभ is eating food, because Saurabh is one person, so I'll use is with Saurabh. Okay, वे लोग, ये काफ़ी सारे लोग इधर खड़े हैं, ये लोग फुटबॉल खेल रहे हैं. सो दे, वे मतलब दे, और दे आर मोर देन वन, तो आर यूज होगा. सो दे आर प्लेइंग फुटबॉल. They are playing football. Got it? Simple again. So this is it for today, and I really hope and I really wish that you gained really something valuable from this video and you made your concept really clear and simple. Okay, and if you like this video, please give it a like and a share, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe. And I'll see you soon again in some next videos, and I'll bring some new videos with some new concepts and with some simple concepts for you. Till then, see you. Bye.